Hello, this is librarian Jennifer Bone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find a journal in the library's research database EBSCO. To get to the library, just go to swic.edu, hover over Student Services, and select Library from the drop-down list. Once you land on the library webpage, scroll down underneath the picture until you get to the library search widget. You'll see that the EBSCO is already pre-selected on the article tab. Go ahead and type in a topic. I'm just going to type in education. Now from here, I'm going to get a lot of results just because my topic is so large. I have 3.7 million articles that have come up for me. And there's a couple of ways to find education journals. As you look at some of these article results, you'll see some of them are coming from things like Literacy Today or Phi Delta Kappan. To get to any of these very quickly and just look at these possible, here's the journal Education, magazines and journals, you can click on the title, and when you click on the title, you'll see the source listed right here. You'll see that the title is a hyperlink, and that's the title of the magazine or journal. So I'm going to click directly on it, and it's going to take me to a description page that says childhood education. It's going to tell me when it was published, and if it's full text or not, it'll say so right here. Now this one just says it's a bibliographic record. What that means is it's just going to give me abstracts. It's not going to be full text. Over on the right, I can open these up, and even when I do that, if I select one, this particular journal does not give me full text access to the articles. So I can always request them through the library website if I find something that I like. I can use the article request form, but this isn't one that is full text. Now another way that you can find journals is by using the publications drop-down box. So right here you'll see these are our three main collections that we use for EBSCO. We can always expand and add the education databases by clicking on Choose Databases. So our education databases are going to be ERIC, the Professional Development Collection, and the Teacher Reference Center. So I can add all of those. It's going to take me back to the front page, but when you go up to the top to the Publications drop-down menu, you'll see that you have added one extra one that allows you to look at their journals. So let me show you how it works. When you're looking for journal titles, you have to go into each collection separately. So if I start with Academic Search Premier or Complete, I can come here and I have my regular search box at the top. But I want to search for publications. I want to search for magazines and journals. So I'm going to come down here to this Browsing Publications section. And I'm not going to look for journals that start with E for education. I want to look for journals that are about that subject. So I'm going to move the dot to by subject and description. And I'm going to type in education. And then I'm going to click Browse. In Academic Search Complete, just this one collection, there are 1,200 journal and magazines that are about education. So I can kind of scroll down. I can see quickly if they're full text or if they have just abstracts just by looking right here. And anything that's full text, I can click on. And I can look at the issues right over here and view the issue from the year 2000. Now we could go up to the top and do a new search for our publications. If I refine my search, I can do early childhood and click Browse. And these are how many come up for early childhood education. You'll see it's trying to match with the terms. So I do get things like early medieval Europe, which is not on the topic, but it's just doing its best to try to match. Oh, actually, this is a good example. So when I redid my search, I forgot to change it from alphabet to by subject, which is why all of these were starting with E. So let's change the dot from alphabet to subject. And I always find that tricky to remember. And now I have 10. And these should all, yes, reflect early childhood and that subject area. So any of them that are full text, it'll tell you they have abstracts for like this one from 1989 to 2007, but they also have the full text from 1991 to 2007 as well. So you'll see all these things are here. And if I wanted to look in any of them, I can click right here and look inside. Now this one says that it has a delay of the full text due to publisher embargo. That means that the publisher likes the subscribers to read it first, so they delay the immediate release of it digitally inside EBSCO. So that's why it would only go up to 2020, not 2021, because of that embargo. But if you click on this, you can see that you're going to go over here. You can see all the years and all the publications. If you just want to search inside of Early Childhood Education Journal, there's a link right here. Search within this publication. You'll see that it gives you the journal name, Early Childhood Education Journal. I can type and maybe I'll put in daycare. And so then it'll give me the articles. I have 440 that have come up for that. And all of these will be full text and they'll fall within the time frame of the full text articles. So just so you know, you can search for journals. Remember, you can either click on a title of an article that you like and access a journal from the source link right here, or you can go up to the top, select one of these collections, click on it, and remember, use the lower bar to type in your topic and always change the dot to by subject and description. And then you'll be able to see what comes up in your subject area and look inside those journals. If you need any help doing this, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, you can contact your librarian just by using this link, and you can reach us in person and over the phone or via email.